So next, put the bacon. So mag-wait tayo guys until mag-oil. So, lulutuin natin ito mga 5 minutes. So, hot water. Lagyan natin ng oil. A little bit of oil. And then, so, mga 2 cups yan. So, lulutuin natin yan guys for only 5 minutes until mag-soft na siya. So, nag-oil na guys. Ilagay natin ang onion. So, put the onion and mix guys. So, mix natin. So, naluluto na siya. So, time to transfer. So, 4 cups itong pasta, guys. Ilagay natin ang ating pasta. And mix lang natin. First, black pepper. Black pepper. Lauris. The lauris. And the dill seasoning, a little bit of dill seasoning, and magic sarap. You can use also salt or garlic powder. So let's mix guys, mix lang natin. So mix lang. So, dapat low heat para hindi siya overcook. So, just low heat. So, lagyan ko ng cheese guys. Any kind of cheese you can use. Parmesan cheese or whatever cheese you have available. So, this is optional as well. Oh, wow. So, more cheese, it's better. So, tapos na guys. So, this is the finished product. So yeah, it's already done. Thank you for watching everyone. See you to my next video. Bye bye.